Cruising at highway speeds, your car is an efficient machine. But the moment an engine fails or a tire blows out, that moving vehicle instantly drops into a 3,000-pound stationary obstacle. In the South Texas Highway Corridor, being stuck on the shoulder means facing two immediate threats. First, you have heavy commercial traffic blowing past you at 75 miles per hour. Second, summer asphalt temperatures are high enough to cause heat exhaustion in minutes. Today, we'll walk through a strict step-by-step protocol. We are going to look at exactly how to secure your vehicle, safely escape physical danger, and prevent a mechanical issue from turning into a massive financial loss. To execute this extraction plan, you only need one piece of equipment prepared ahead of time: your mobile phone. Knowing exactly what to do and who to call when your car stops moving dictates whether you experience a minor schedule delay or a severe roadside emergency. This diagram highlights 3 critical inspection zones to check before hitting the highway: tire tread depth, battery terminals, and the coolant reservoir. High temperatures rapidly degrade rubber belts and drain batteries. Routinely checking these ensures your car can handle the intense stop-and-go conditions along Interstate 35. Step 1 of the protocol happens before you ever get behind the wheel. Open your phone and save a trusted, local extraction service into your contacts. For Schertz, Texas, that number is 210-796-7869. Relying on a local provider over a national call center guarantees a faster response. Local dispatchers know the regional traffic patterns, the exact routes around Randolph Air Force Base, and how to safely navigate active construction zones. If your vehicle suddenly loses power, your instinct might be to brake hard. Resist that urge. Slamming on the brakes traps you in an active lane of traffic. Instead, keep a firm grip on the steering wheel and smoothly coast your vehicle through the flow of traffic to the far right shoulder. Your goal is to maximize the physical distance between your car and the active lanes. The second your vehicle comes to a complete stop, turn on your hazard lights. Fast-approaching drivers behind you need an immediate visual warning that you are no longer moving. Combining proactive vehicle maintenance with a controlled, highly visible pullover drastically reduces the initial shock and physical danger of the breakdown sequence. Once stopped, you need to execute a safe exit. Check your surroundings and only open a door on the non-traffic side of the vehicle. Never step out toward the live lanes. Remaining inside a disabled vehicle with no air conditioning on South Texas asphalt exposes you to severe thermal danger. You need to evacuate the cabin. Move completely off the pavement. If there is a metal guardrail or a concrete barrier, position yourself physically behind it. From this safe vantage point, categorize the emergency. Observe if it's a flat tire, an engine failure, or an accidental lockout. Do this entirely through observation. Do not touch the vehicle. This table compares the time cost of an unassisted delay versus a professional response. Handling a highway flat tire alone can easily leave you stranded for up to 90 minutes, while engine failure can mean waiting 2 to 3 hours without proper support. Those extended delays carry serious physical risks. Attempting a DIY tire change inches from a 75-mile-per-hour lane dramatically increases the likelihood of secondary collisions, while sitting idle for hours invites severe heat exhaustion. Trying to avoid the wait by driving on a completely flat tire to find a safer spot creates compounding financial damage. A short distance is enough to destroy the wheel rim and damage the suspension, turning a basic tire change into a multi-$1,000 repair bill. Putting physical distance between yourself and the vehicle, while strictly refusing to attempt shoulder repairs, ensures you survive the assessment phase intact. Now that you are secured behind the guardrail, open your phone and call your pre-saved local emergency contact. The dispatcher needs 3 specific pieces of information to launch a response: your exact location, your vehicle type, and the specific mechanical issue. Communicating the exact vehicle type is essential. Commercial fleet vans and heavy machinery require specialized heavy-duty wreckers to transport safely without causing frame or alignment damage. When the extraction team arrives, they bring the right equipment to secure the scene. They deploy high-visibility directional lighting to alert oncoming traffic and use standard rigging protocols to safely load your vehicle. By handing the extraction over to a trained expert, you effectively transfer the physical and mechanical risks away from yourself. Strictly executing these 5 steps turns a highly volatile highway emergency into a safely managed temporary delay. This protocol protects you from 3 severe catastrophes: physical injury from secondary collisions, extreme heat exhaustion, and compounding mechanical damage. Pause this video immediately, open your phone's contacts, and save 210-796-7869 for Shirts Towing. Actual roadside safety is never improvised on the shoulder. It is guaranteed by preparation before the key ever turns in the ignition.